Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video we'll be comparing Natural Reader with Speechify and which tool is worth your time in 2025. So let's get right into it. We'll start from Natural Reader. It has a super clean interface with drag and drop support, which is perfect for students or casual listeners. Now it keep it simple with solid voices but fewer tweaks. However, it does offer a few floating bar for reading web pages instantly. Now, it stays steady in your education circles, especially for accessible and reading support. Think schools and libraries, stuff like that. So if you talk about pricing, it has a generous free version and a one-time payment option, which you can go on the website and see over here, as you can see it. Now, if you compare with Speechify, so Speechify is a little bit more techy, as in technology techy, but it's lightning fast and syncs smoothly across devices, which is ideal for power users. It wins in customization as you get tons of natural sounds, voices, accents, and adjustable speeds, as you can see over right here on the screen. So it is blowing up on social media, especially with students and productivity influencers. Now, if I talk about pricing, so it the subscription is around $139 per year, but it packs premium voices and speed reading features. So if you're on a budget, Natural Reader is a solid pick, but if you want a top-tier voice, Speechify justifies the cost. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you in figuring out which one is better, Speechify or Natural Reader. Thank you so much for watching.